Breaking barriers, one device at a time.
What's up guys, welcome back to this tutorial. So today we are going to be comparing OSCP against the PNPT. So the OSCP stands for OPSEC Certified Professional, while the PNPT stands for Practical Network Penetration Tester by TCM Security. So from the name you just know that OSCP is made by OPSEC, while PNPT is made by TCM Security. So OSCP is the golden standard for cybersecurity professionals. Like it's been there for so many years now, and HR already know about them. HR know about them. HR will insist on them. Like if you have OSCP on your CV, in fact, HR wants to see OSCP on your CV. It's a golden certification. So let's start with how each of the certification how they vary. OSCP starts at 1,749 bucks, and it's like a 24 hours proctored exam where you have like 5 machines and you asked to pawn three of the machines, capture the flags of 3 of the machines. Then you have now some set of 2 machines in an AD environment, Active Directory environment, where you have to gain DC domain admin on that. You have to pawn the system. So 3 machines, 3 Windows machines, capture the flag. You gotta use any of the what was taught in the course. Exploit development, CVEs, buffer overflows to bypass and pawn the machines. The OSCP, when you finish the course, they give you a 10 credits. So you need like 70 credits to pass out of 100 credits in 70 to pass. So when you finish the course, they give you 10 credits. Now you're going to the exam now and you get the remaining credits to pass the exam. It lasts for 24 hours and it's so expensive. OSCP is so expensive that some people prefer to, in fact, most people prefer to use this money and get like 5 other certifications. I myself, I prefer that. But HR wants to see OSCP, and even when they see OSCP, they are very happy because they don't so much know about the PNPT. Alright, the PNPT is by TCM Security, and by far this is, to my knowledge, it is more difficult than the OSCP and it's more hands-on experience than the OSCP. So you have 5 days, open book, do what I do, use any tool. You have 5 days to pawn an AD environment, gain domain admin privileges, do persistence, golden or silver ticket. You have now 2 days to write a report on what you did and 15 minutes debrief in front of a TCM staff. They would ask you what you do, what you did to get to domain admin. So first like you start by doing OSINT, open source intelligence, on what they will give you, or you go now to gain first initial foothold into a system. From there, enter the internal network, scanning and enumeration, lateral movement, pivoting until one machine to another until you reach domain admin. This PMPT is $499 US. So this is way cheaper than the OSCP, but it's not that we connect as OSCP. But in years to come, this will be the OSCP because this is more practical than the OSCP, and it's zero capture the flags. You don't no MCQ, no capture the flags. It's just a real world, like a real world pen test. For the difficulty level, I say both of them are beginners. All of them deal with Active Directory, Windows previous escalation, same as on Linux previous escalation. One difference between the OSCP and the PNPT is that the PNPT offers one free retake. That is, if you fail the exam, you have one other retake for free, whereas in the OSCP you have to pay. You get the point. So in terms of what to go for and what not to go for, all depends on your on the individual. Some people cannot afford 1,700 something US dollars. Some can afford, some your company will pay. Nevertheless, it depends on you, what you want and how you think of achieving it. On my point of view, if I want to get an certification, I will not give it. I will take that 1,700 US box and get like 4 or 5 other certifications. So you can see. Both of them will teach you so many things about Active Directory. First, it's always OSINT, open source intelligence. From there, you do some enumerations on the web enumerations, gaining access, pivoting, lateral movements. And in the OSCP and the PNPT, generally you don't have to bypass AV or firewalls. They are generally not enabled but not emphasized. So in the PNPT, you do techniques like SMB relay attacks, element arrow poisoning, or IP6 attacks, or you can use some tools like Crackman Except, do some that, WinPeace, LinPeace, etc. So the key difference between the two is that both of them have reporting. You need to do some reporting, but the reporting on the PNPT is so emphasized that if you don't do a good report, you're going to fail the exam. And if you fail all your 2 tries on the PNPT, the system staff will email you a link. You'll purchase you have to buy another retake for $100. So now the OSCP is more like of a CTF, while the PMPT is more like a regular pen test. So you know what you go for. Check what you want. Check how according to your region where you are. Check the requirements when in job postings, job listings, and go for what you want. So guys, this was a video on OSCP versus PMPT. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please like, subscribe, and I'll be posting more every week. So you can share to some friends so they will know what to go for and what not to go for.